to balance brought down. Cash lo vachesi how much it is 600 and bank it is 9670. Then what is it? Received cash from Arul. Received cash from Arul. Received means what? Once more I'll tell you. Cash, 3 column cash book చేసేటప్పుడు we always go with cash book, which is a real account. Rule is applied here, that is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So in short, debit all receipts will record, credit all payments we have. So received cash from Arul అన్నాడు. Received means what? Receipt or a payment?
Receipt.
Yeah.
Debit side.
July 2nd.
To Arul account.
What we received? Cash or a check?
Cash.
Cash.
And did he give any discount?
Ma'am, మీ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
Yes, ma'am.
ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
సో అరుల్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ పేడ్ అజర్ బై చెక్ అన్నాడు. పేడ్ మీన్స్ వాట్?
పేమెంట్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్.
Yeah,
Credit side.
payment is the credit side. So here again 2015 I'm going to take July 4th kada, 4th, and we are going to write as by Azhar. And here do we have a discount again? Paid Azhar by check and discount received. So how much is the discount we received? We received a discount of 30 and paid by check అన్నాడు కదా. So 800 in the bank column.
Bank column.
Purchased goods and paid by check, he said. Purchased goods paid by check ante receipt a payment a? When I am purchasing, what is
Payment.
happening to the cash?
Payment, ma'am.
Yes, every transaction in the 3-column cash book you are going to see every transaction you are going to check. In the 3-column cash book మనం cash book చేసేటప్పుడు only cash ని మాత్రమే చూడాలి. Is cash coming in, is cash going out? Beyond that, stock వస్తుందా, stock పోతుందా, I'm least bothered. I'm only concerned much about what is happening to the cash.
Cash.
So when I purchased, my goods are coming is not at all my consideration. My consideration is what happened to cash. So cash is
Going out.
so because of what? Because
Goods.
of purchases.
Credit.
So which column?
By purchases. Bank column.
Yeah, he said buy check అన్నాడు కాబట్టి it is a bank column. Next, deposited with the bank. So is contra entry. Deposited with the bank, wherever the cash and the bank was involved, that we say it is two-way transaction and we name them as a contra. So deposited into bank means something we are depositing into the bank. So bank is involved here, first thing. And obvious గా మనం డిపాజిట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏం డిపాజిట్ చేస్తాం బ్యాంక్ లో
క్యాష్
కదా. So only two
Cash.
things are there. Cash we will deposit in the bank. So what the two things are involved? Cash and the bank.
బ్యాంక్ అండ్ క్యాష్.
Two things are involved, obviously that is called a contra, because my column is consisting of cash column, my column is consisting of bank column. So that's why both the things are involved అన్నప్పుడు contra అని అంటాం. Now ఇప్పుడు confusion ఏంటంటే, first I'll record from which point of view. I always said we are in the cash book. So for me first priority is what? Always cash.
క్యాష్.
Cash.
So when cash is deposited, sent to bank అన్నప్పుడు my cash is coming in or going out?
Going out.
Going out. My cash is actually going out. So what I'm
Going out.
treat it as As cash is going out kabatti, I'll take it as a payment. So what I'll write, where it is going? Where it is going?
Bank.
Yeah, so I'll write by
By
bank.
bank.
And ఇది కాంట్రా టూ సైడ్స్ కాబట్టి సి అని కాంట్రా పెట్టేసి మనం వీఆర్ జస్ట్ ఇండికేటింగ్ దట్ దెర్ ఇస్ అ two-way transaction ఇది అని అందుకే సి అని కాంట్రా రాస్తాం. నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ లుక్డ్ ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ ఐ సెడ్ ఫస్ట్ ఐ లుక్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ క్యాష్. సో కాబట్టి క్యాష్ కాలంలో ఫస్ట్ వేస్తాం. Then this has to be posted twice kada. So here again I am going to the debit side, writing the date as 8th. Now there I've written by bank. So simple, very always in this class I used to say akkada by bank rasam kabatti obvious ga opposite word enti contract two words.
cash.
Two words untai. Bank cash. We have written already by bank. Obviously left over is what? Two
Cash.
cash contra. Now we are going to write in which column now?
Bank.
Bank
Bank
column.
Bank column. Done. Next, goods deposited next. Yeah, sold
Sold goods.
Anil on credit. I'm in the cash book. I'm only concerned with cash is coming in or going out. He said we sold to Anil on a credit. Is cash or a check is involved here?
No,
Check.
See, read the sentence. Read the sentence. Blind ga అన్ని ఇచ్చినవన్నీ పోస్ట్ చేయాలి అన్నట్టుగా చూడకండి. Read the
cash.
sentence. Read the sentence. He said sold goods to Anil on credit అంట. సో ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఎలా వస్తుంది? జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీ ఎలా వస్తుంది? సేల్స్ ఆల్వేస్ స్టాండ్స్ ఆన్ విచ్ సైడ్?
Credit.
సో ఒక సైడ్ సేల్స్ వచ్చేసింది. దెన్ ఈజ్ ఈ పేయింగ్ క్యాష్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఆన్ అ క్రెడిట్? అక్కడ క్యాష్ క్రెడిట్ ఏది రావాలి?
Cash.
క్యాష్ అని చెప్పాడా నాన్నవాడు? ఆన్ క్రెడిట్ అంటే నేను క్యాష్ ఇవ్వట్లేదనే కదా అర్థము. రైట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గివింగ్ అ క్యాష్. ఐ జస్ట్ సెడ్ ఐ విల్ పే లేటర్ డేట్.
Sale, ma'am, to sale.
No, this transaction will not come at all. I am trying to say here. What I'm trying to say here, it is not going
Morning,
to
ma'am.
come. Yeah, good morning. It is not going to come at all. How it is going to come, dear? Ani goods sold to Anil on credit అన్నాను. అసలు క్యాషే లేదు ఇందులో. క్యాష్ లేదు, నా చెక్ లేదు. ద ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ విల్ బి. అందుకే నేను రెక్టిఫికేషన్ చెప్పను. మనం జర్నల్ ఎంట్రీసే సరిగ్గా రావు. ఇంకా రెక్టిఫికేషన్ నాకెందుకు ఇంకా మళ్ళీ అదొకటి. When I sell the goods, I say purchases always stands on a debit, so sales always stands on a credit. So two sales, ఒకటి వచ్చేసింది. డెబిట్ అండ్ క్రెడిట్ మధ్యలో క్రెడిట్ ఫిల్ అయిపోయింది. నౌ డెబిట్ ఫిల్ చేయాలి. There are three options. క్యాష్ అన్నా రాయాలి, బ్యాంక్ అన్నా రాయాలి, అనిల్ అన్నా రాయాలి. ఈ మూడిట్లో ఏది రాస్తామో అని చెప్తున్నాను డెబిట్ లో నేను. Anil, why? Because that fellow said on credit.
There is no cash and check.
Yeah, because why it is said like that? Because he said very clearly on credit. అంటే నేను గూడ్స్ ఇప్పుడు తీసుకుంటున్నాను బట్ ఫ్యూచర్ లో మనీ పే చేస్తాను అని అర్థం. So when there is no
Yes,
cash
ma'am.
transaction, how that fellow will come here? Our 3-column cash book is purely related to the cash. Cash వస్తేనే రాయాలి, లేకపోతే రాయకూడదు. That's why this transaction is cancelled. Got you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, sold goods and received payment by check అన్నాడు. ఇది కరెక్ట్. What is it? We sold it since. So we received payment by check. We received what?
Check.
Yeah. So here we received a payment by check kabatti. I received no. So because of what? Sales.
To sale. Bank column.
Yeah. అంతేనా? Next. Received a check from Anil in full settlement of his account. సో ఇందాక వాడు మనకి అనిల్ ఎందుకు ఇచ్చాడు అంటే ఈ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోసం అక్కడ మనకు కావాలని అనిల్ గురించి ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న. See here, what is it? Received check from Anil it seems. Received check from Anil. Received check from Anil అంటే ఏంటి? Received means what?
Receipt.
Yeah, it's a receipt. It's a receipt. So we received. From whom I'm receiving?
Anil.
Anil. Okay, I'm going to write to Anil. Now, actually, how much I'm receiving? 1050. What even nadu? Full settlement annadu. What is that, ma? In full settlement, we are receiving it. So, full settlement ani ante, I said something hidden amount is there ani kada cheppanu. So, appudu go back to
Yes,
the
ma'am.
10th entry. Actually, manam Anil ki enta worth of goods sale chesam chudandi. How many worth of goods we sold to Anil? Please go and check.
1100.
1100 I sold, but I happily am receiving 1050. So 50 I treat it as what now? He has to pay.
Discount.
Yeah, 1100 I sold. So he has to pay me total
Yes.
1100. But I said no problem. I am totally cancelling your account, though you are paying me 1050. That means 50 what I should write now? As a
Discount column.
discount. And what we received, checker?
Check, ma'am.
So in the bank column, I'll write as 1050. Is this clear for everyone? Girls?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Withdrawn from bank for office use. So this one, just see again. This is a contra, Nikita.
No, God.
Yes, ma'am.
Withdrawn from bank for office use. Only in the case of office use only, we are going to have a contra entry, ma. Withdrawn from bank for office use. Withdrawn from bank means what will withdraw from the bank, ma?
Cash.
Obviously cash kada. So for office use and
Contract.
so cash is coming in. From where it is coming?
Bank.
So two things again are involved: cash, bank. So what did I say?
Contract.
Always see from which point of view?
Cash point of view.
Cash point of view. So I have withdrawn a money. So what is happening? Cash is coming in or going out?
Comes in.
Coming in.
Coming
So
in.
here I'm going to write as 17. From where it is coming?
From bank.
From bank.
Yeah. So here I'm going to write to bank. First we have seen from the point of cash kada. So that's why we'll write in the cash column as 900. And this one again I'm going to have a contra. So compulsory it has to be posted other side. So here I have written as to bank annappudu. Akkada em rastanapudu?
Cash.
Yes.
Cash, ma'am.
By cash.
Cash.
Which column now?
Bank column.
Bank column.
Bank column.
Next, purchased goods from K and company. He only said for cash ani anal kada ikkada. Did he mention purchased goods from K and company ante purchases always stands on a debit side. So nen purchases ani rasistanu. Purchases account debit to what
Cash.
should I write? What should I write?
Cash.
Cash, bank or K and company?
K and company.
We'll write K and company because I told you many times whenever name is mentioned, then compulsory cash ani mention chestene adi cash కి పోతుంది. So just check, did anywhere K and company for cash ani చెప్పాడా? Just check the sentence. Or he just
No,
said
ma'am.
no.
No, ma'am.
So when cash is not mentioned, that means cash is not coming ane kada ardham. Cash is not coming paid immediately. So that's the reason
Ma'am.
I'm going to exclude that one. I'm going to cancel that one. Huh?
కొంచెం గట్టిగా చెప్పరా మ్యామ్?
So I'm going to exclude that one. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the next transaction. Paid K and Company by check, discount received, he said. Paid means what?
Payment.
Payments.
So whom I am making a payment? By
Can
K
company.
and Company. Discount, how much we received?
100.
100, ma'am.
And amount, actual amount?
2,900.
2,900.
Okay. Next, paid telephone charges. Paid means again
Payments.
Payment.
payment. So what I'll write? By telephone
Phone
charges. So he didn't said anything kabatti ఇది cash column లో వేసేసుకోవచ్చు కదా మనము.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that we are going to. Next, pay to Ahmed check discount received అన్నాడు. Paid అనగానే మళ్ళీ
Payment.
payment.
Payment, ma'am.
So whom I am making a payment to?
Ahmed.
By what? By cash or a check?
By check.
Check. So which
Bank
column? Bank column will be affected. That is 684.
Discount is 16.
Yes, yes, sir. 16 rupees. Yes, sir. Cash sales. Cash sales. What is happening when I'm goods and selling out? Cash is
Coming in.
coming
Ma'am.
in. So ఏమని రాస్తాము? To
To
sales.
sales.
Which column? He only said cash. So kabatti
Cash column.
column. Next, received a check from Anthony and sent to bank for discount and discount allowed అన్నాడు. So received a check from Anthony. Received a check from Anthony అంటే ఏంటి?
To Anthony. Anthony.
Received means it's a receipt. Something is coming in. So to Anthony. So what we are receiving? Cash or check? Check.
Check.
సో డిస్కౌంట్ 20 రూపీస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ మనకి. ఆ తర్వాత చెక్ లో 48. నెక్స్ట్ పర్చేస్ ద న్యూ మెషినరీ ఫర్ ఆఫీస్ యూజ్ బై చెక్ అన్నాడు. పర్చేస్ ద న్యూ మెషినరీ వెన్ ఐఎమ్ పర్చేసింగ్ క్యాష్ ఇస్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ అవుట్? గోయింగ్ అవుట్. సో కాబట్టి అది ఎటు రావాలి అప్పుడు? క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ యాజ్? Buy machinery, right? So buy machinery. So
Bank
what?
column.
Cash or check?
Check.
Check, ma'am.
Okay. Next, bank intimated that Anthony's check has been dishonored. So what is saying? Anthony check ఏదైతే మనం రిసీవ్ చేసామంట అది డిజానర్ అయిందంట. So dishonor means what did I say? It is simply cancellation.
Cancelled.
So where is the Anthony first he is standing? Anthony పేరు ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
Debit side.
డెబిట్ సైడ్. సో క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి అంటే
Credit side.
Credit side.
so that's why here we are going to write as by amount ఏ కాలమ్ లో ఉంది?
Debit side, ma'am.
అదే
Bank.
Check bank, ma'am.
బ్యాంక్ కాలమ్. సో అదే నేను అమౌంట్ బ్యాంక్ కాలమ్ లో వేసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేసాను. దెన్ deposited with the bank. Deposited with the bank means what? What we will deposit?
Cash.
Cash.
Cash. So cash is involved. And where I'm depositing?
Bank.
So cash bank both are involved అన్నప్పుడు ఏమంటాం దాన్ని?
Contra entry.
And first
Contra entry.
point of view చూడాలి.
Cash point of view.
Cash point of view. So when I'm depositing, cash is coming in or going out?
Going out.
So that's why I will write on which side? On the credit side as by bank. This is contra and the amount I'm going to fill it up as
cash column.
Cash column. Now ఇది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రాయాలి కదా. So contra means double time we are going to post it. So here I'm going to write as 31st. Now అక్కడ by bank రాసాను. ఇక్కడ to
Cash.
and which column? Bank column.
Bank.
column.
And last one, bank charges in the passbook. Bank charges means what? Charges means what?
Expenses.
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 So here I will write by bank charges. Now ఎవరు చార్జ్ చేస్తున్నట్టు ఇది ఎవరి దగ్గర ఉన్నట్టు బ్యాంక్
Passbook
చార్జెస్
to bank column.
రైట్ ఇన్ ద విచ్ కాలమ్
Bank column.
నౌ టోటల్ ఇట్ అండ్ టెల్ మీ హౌ మచ్
Ma'am, on credit side bank column 11,896.
ఓకే అది రాసి పెట్టుకోండి బోత్ విల్ బి ఫేవరబుల్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఓన్లీ నానా ఒకసారి అక్కడ పక్కన పెట్టుకోండి బోత్ విల్ బి ఫేవరబుల్ ఒకసారి చూసుకోండి it will be 5,000 2,007 to 2,800 2,700 so 5,300 ఇది వస్తుందేమో టోటల్ డెబిట్ ఇక్కడ 14,800 రావాలి నాన్న డెబిట్ లో
146.
This is 5,300 only, no? 14,800 you will get this side.
Ma'am, bank column 11,896 వచ్చింది.
So debit side total ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది నాన్న debit side total ఎక్కువ ఉంది 14,800.
Okay.
ఏది ఎక్కువ టోటల్ ఉంటే అది కదా వేసేది మనం whichever the total is high that will post it. $5,300 minus 100 minus 600. ఇది correct. అండ్ ఇది నీకు ఎంత వచ్చింది అన్నావు టోటల్ 14,800 minus 11,000. హౌ మచ్ యూ గాట్ నిఖిత? 11,000
11,896.
896 రాదు నానా. ఇక్కడ టోటల్ 896 రాదు. 890 ఏమైనా రావాలేమో. 890 నీకు ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇగో 2684 అక్కడే 0 అయిపోయింది. ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి దిస్ మచ్. $2,910 something I got in the previous class. Just check it up. 100 plus 800 plus 3,800 plus 684 plus 4,080 plus 26. I got 11,890 Nana. 11,890 I got. So the balance I got is 2,910.
Yeah, ma'am. 480 place లో నేను 486 వేసుకున్నాను.
That's what. So this is the answer. Okay. Everyone take down a screenshot. I'll just end the class. Everyone took?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.